chug. The engine on the train goes chug, chug, chug. All through the town. The wagons on the train go up and down, up and down, up and down. The wagons on the train go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the train go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the train go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the train go shush, 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 shush. The mommies on the train go shush, 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 all through the town. The passengers on the train go bounce, 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 bounce. The passengers on the train go bounce, 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 all through the town. The tracks under the train go rattle, 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 rattle. The tracks under the train go rattle, 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 all through the town. Did you enjoy Bob the Train? Then come back soon. Hi, I'm Bob the Train. Do you want to go on an alphabet ride with me? A, B, C, and D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, and M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Wasn't that fun? Let's start from Z then.